While editing, you open the vertical notes by pressing Ctrl-N. You want to review the steno you had written to determine what an untranslate should be defined as. However, the vertical notes are overlapping some of the text in the transcript, and you are having a hard time figuring out what it should be. You would like to move the vertical notes to the right-hand side of the screen so that they no longer overlap any text. To redock the vertical notes, you can just double-click on the title bar for vertical notes, and Catalyst will automatically redock them at the right-hand side of the screen. You can use this redocking method for any dialog pane in Catalyst. It will redock the panes to their default position. Also, in some instances, you may like to have the Briefit pane and vertical notes open at the same time, and they are open next to each other in 2 columns. The only thing is, it's making the text of the transcript smaller than you'd like. You would like to have them stack on top of each other so that they are in one single column. To move Briefit so it is on top of vertical notes, left-click on the title bar of Briefit, and hold down the left mouse button. Start dragging the Briefit pane to the right, and you'll notice the directional arrows at the 4 edges of the screen, along with the 4-arrow diamond in the middle of the screen. Keep dragging Briefit until the cursor is over the vertical notes, and a new 4-arrow diamond will display over vertical notes. Since you would like to place Briefit so it is displayed on the top half of the pane, place your cursor on the up arrow of the 4-arrow diamond. Once you see the shaded area in the position you would like, release the left mouse button. The Briefit pane and the vertical notes are now stacked on top of each other. This method of manually moving the dialog panes will also work with any dialog pane in Catalyst. You can find more information about dialog panes inside Catalyst's built-in help. To access help, press F1 from anywhere inside Catalyst, or click Help, and then Case Catalyst Help.